I've been talking about how the Redmi Note 8, not the Pro, is the hero of Xiaomi's recent event. And this is one of the reasons. The Note 8 supports Google Camera, but the Note 8 Pro doesn't. My name is Ashwin Sundar, and we are gonna see how a mere 10,000 rupee phone can shoot amazing pictures, flagship level quality pictures. Let's get started. If you're looking for a good tempered glass for your new smartphone, check out our sponsor Glazed Ink. What's special about them is that they have actual 2.5D curved glass along the edges, so the entire screen is covered. No air bubbles or awkward gaps like these, which you might get from installing any other tempered glass available in the market. They have tempered glasses for pretty much all the latest smartphones, including the Redmi Note 8, Note 8 Pro, OnePlus 7T, and so on. So do check out Glazed Ink, link in the description. Use the promo code TJOC to get 10% discount. The Redmi Note 8 supports GCam. Yes, the title itself says it. But did you know it supports GCam version 7? The one that comes with the Pixel 4 with an all-new interface. Now on this GCam version 7, selfies are not perfect. GCam seems to be favoring the background as usual. It tries to capture all the details in the foreground as well as the background. So as a result, the subject's face becomes a little dark. It's not ideally bright. But GCam version 6, the one that came with Pixel 3 last year, that port on the Note 8 clicks amazing selfies. Now, since these two are completely different versions, you can have both of them installed on the phone. Now, note that these GCam mods were developed and tweaked for some other devices, but luckily they work on the Note 8. So they're not perfectly stable. Like I said, selfies shot using GCam 7 are not that good, and night sight doesn't work on GCam 6. That's the primary reason I have two versions installed. The process is easy. Go to the description, click the download link. You can find both versions on Google Drive. Download one of them and its configuration file, install the APK, load the configuration file. If you don't know how to do that, watch this clip from one of my other GCam videos. It's like 20 seconds, it's an easy process. After loading it, follow the exact same steps again for the other version. Download, install, load the configuration file. Easy. Right off the bat, we can see what kind of difference GCam can make in challenging conditions like this. The highlights, as in the details outside the window, are preserved on both photos. But all the details indoors look significantly brighter and better on the GCam photo. Which means GCam photos have better dynamic range. And I cross-checked it by looking at a few more images. The results did not change. Here, a part of the sky is overexposed on the stock camera image. Here, the trees are a little darker. When you take close-up shots, again, there is a significant difference. The petals look noticeably sharper on the GCam image. And if you look closely, some parts of the stock camera image are overexposed. A part of the petals, actually. Like I said earlier, this GCam port was not really tuned to work with the Note 8 perfectly. Even in bright lighting conditions, GCam images have a bit of noise everywhere. That's not the usual GCam behavior. A proper GCam port for the Note 8 should be available in another few weeks, but for now, even these APKs we installed outperform the stock camera in most of the situations. When it gets dark out there, the differences become even more prominent. The GCam image has way more details. It's unbelievably sharp. I mean, yes, it has quite a lot of noise as well, like we just discussed, but it still manages to retain much more details. The lines on the wall, the roof, the tiles. Same here. The GCam photo looks better, especially the bottom half of the image. So many things to capture, and GCam does it much better. And don't forget the night sight mode, which proves to be far better than the stock camera's night mode. Much brighter, sharper, and cleaner. What about selfies? Mixed results, to be honest. There are some cases where I found the stock camera selfies to be better, better skin tones and colors. But yeah, in almost all the scenes, the GCam selfies have better dynamic range. And in low light, it's GCam all the way, no questions asked. That said, when the scene has a lot of artificial lights like neon lights and neon boards, in those cases, the stock camera's night mode is actually getting better results. It doesn't overexpose those lights. Now, I'm sure you know the Note 8 also has an ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. As of now, GCam cannot access any of those cameras because, like I said, this port is not tailor-made for the Redmi Note 8. The Redmi K20 Pro can access all three cameras through GCam, so there is a possibility that we see another GCam port in the coming weeks with access to all cameras on the Note 8. Not the depth sensor though. Now the big question is, the Note 8 Pro doesn't support Google camera. So does the Redmi Note 8 with Google camera perform better than the Note 8 Pro with stock camera? If you're curious about that, let me know in the comment section. I'll get it done. Thanks for watching. See you guys very soon. Bye bye.